Okay, we have a cup of water in here, and we're going to press express and start, and watch what happens. Yeah, happens every time now. Every time. Something's definitely not right. I'm gonna unplug it. That smells bad too. Could catch fire. Okie dokie. Thank you. Emerson. Inexpensive.
Here is my new Emerson, nice and small microwave. Since this is a beach house, don't have a lot of room, so figured that this would be the ideal fit for this. Had one a little bit larger before it and wound up taking that one out, obviously, and then had to trim it out again up around the sides here where you see the trim where it goes. Just kind of filled it in, but fit perfect right back into the cupboards. Kind of looks like it should belong there, and really love the color of it. Matches up with my blue stones over there on the side. Worked out great. Absolutely love it.